Hello and welcome to a music lesson with Mark. Today we are looking at a piece of music and we will be talking about tenuto, staccato, diminuendo, and crescendo. Now we have a piece of music behind me on my chalkboard, and the first thing we do when we look at any piece of new music is we want to see its time signature, its key signature, its tempo. So we look and we see that we are in a 4/4 time signature. We see that we are in a key signature of F major, and our tempo is 60 beats per minute. Now we are reading a double staff which has a treble clef and a bass clef, and we will be playing it on my piano today. Now that we know the time signature, the key signature, and the tempo, now we want to analyze the notes. Now I've written the chords above, and we see that our piece is 3 measures, and it goes from an F major chord to a B flat major chord to an F major chord. We see that the piece starts out at mezzo forte, it diminuendos to a piano, and it crescendos to a forte. Now starting in the treble line, we see a tenuto and a staccato. The tenuto is notated by a line underneath the note, or above the note, depending on where it's notated on the staff. And the staccato is notated by a dot. We have 2 dots here for these 2/8 notes, and a line for this quarter note. So this first measure in the treble, on the treble staff, is played like this. Again, that's tenuto, staccato, staccato. Then, down on the bass line, in the bass staff, we have a tenuto B flat, a tenuto D, a staccato B flat, and a staccato F. And that would sound like this. Now that I've practiced the tricky areas with the most motion, I will set my metronome to 60 beats per minute at 4 beats per measure. And we will play the piece following the diminuendo and the crescendo. We will start out at a mezzo forte, go to piano, and then crescendo to a forte. And that is the song, following the tenuto and staccato patterns, and following the diminuendo and crescendo. You can see those words spelled out here at the bottom of the chalkboard. Allow me to play this song once more for you.